What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle, and yes, it's the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new stocks, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hustle X1M. No rags, just riches. King Hustle crazy reactions. The Hustle family turn motivation into means. Dog pound exotic pups. Goosebumps horror stories. Sleeping with the rain. Milwaukee made King Hustle 2.0, and King Hustle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hustle pages out here, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. Hold on. What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hustle. And yes, we are back at it again with another King Hustle fire video. Y'all already know when I drop these videos and y'all get the notifications, some information that's gonna help you win. And in today's video, we got a banger. I got a good one for y'all. How you can get rich off credit. There's a lot of people out there looking to get rich off credit. It's a lot of people out there looking to elevate their life, elevate and grow and build some more. A lot of people trying to figure out how is everybody making it happen. So with that being said, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to get rich off credit, how to make it happen, and go from there. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. So getting rich off credit is possible, but it requires extreme discipline, knowledge, and strategy. All right. So most people who try this without a plan end up in debt with no wealth, not wealth. That said, smart people have learned how to leverage credit as a financial tool, not a trap. To grow their income, assets, and net worth, here's a detailed roadmap on how to build wealth using credit responsibly. All right. So first, what getting rich on credit does not mean racking up debt, live above your means, relying on credit cards to look rich, taking loans without a way to pay them back, buying liabilities, car, clothes, etc. that don't pay you. Getting rich off credit, leveraging OPM, other people's money by to buy assets to pay you back. So master your personal credit first. Before you can use credit to build wealth, your personal credit score needs to be strong, right? And I tell you all this all the time in all these videos. Personal credit, it starts with personal credit, right? So factors that play into your personal credit. Payment history. Payment history is 35% of your credit report. Never miss a payment. Credit utilization, 30%. Stay below 10% of the if possible. Length of credit, 15%. Keep all the accounts open. So when y'all be trying to delete all these accounts off your credit report, dispute all these accounts, y'all need them accounts. And if they close in the collection, start paying them because that'll open them back up and start back your payment history that you need. New credit increase, 10%. Limit hard pulls. Anybody that got a lot of hard pulls, if you never got the account or never got the loan, dispute them. Call it, get them off your credit report because you never got the loan. Um, Credit mix, 10%. Mix of cards, loans, etc. All right. So aim for a credit score 720 plus to access the best financing and low interest rates. Interest rates very much play a part into financing and getting funded. Interest rates will determine how much more you be paying on a loan, credit card, or line of credit extra. Right. So credit card strategies used by wealthy. All right, so credit card strategies used by the wealthy, cashback and reward stacking. Use high cashback cards, 5% plus categories, and funnel spending through them. Manufacturer spending. Use your credit card to buy gifts or money orders to meet bonuses, advance, 0% APR. Use 0% intro offers to borrow free money and invest it with care. So, real example, apply for a credit card with a $10,000 limit and a 0% APR for 18 months. Use 7,000 to start a drop shipping business. Grow to 2,000 month profit. Pay off the card before interest hits profit plus credit history boost. So that's a little credit method right there. Once again, apply for a $10,000 credit card that has 0% APR for 18 months. So that means you will not be paying any interest on that loan, on that credit card. You'll be paying nothing extra for 18 months. Use 7,000 of that to start a business. Grow to 2,000 a month. Pay off the card um, before interest hits profit plus credit history boost. All right, so use credit to acquire real assets. Assets can be purchased using credit, real estate, mortgages, HOE, LOCs, business lines, car rentals, auto loans, business credit cards, e-com, inventory, 0% credit cards, PayPal credit, Turo, Airbnb credit cards to furnish, set up, courses and skills. Invest in skills with credit that lead to a high ROI. So, a pro tip: never use credit to buy something that doesn't produce income. If it pays you, it's an asset. If it drains you, it's a liability. All right. So always remember that. If any, and that's with anybody in the world too. If you got people around that drains you and they're not adding to the value, y'all know what's going on. So build business credit and separate from personal. So once your personal credit is solid, you can build business credit, which unlocks huge funding opportunities. So steps to build credit, business credit: get an EIN number from the IRS, set up an LLC, open up a business checking account, get a DUNS number, apply for a net 30 vendors, Quell, Uline, etc. Use business credit cards, Amex, Blue, Business Plus, Capital One, Spark. Business credit limits can range from $25,000 to $100,000 plus, often without personal guarantees. So leverage credit to start or scale a business. So example strategy: use business credit cards to buy inventory for an Amazon FBA store or drop shipping business. 0% APR for 12 to 18 months, free working capital. Use profits to pay off credit card and reinvest, or use personal credit to take real estate, invest in courses, get into wholesaling or house hacking. Use the knowledge to partner with someone and use business credit cards or loans to flip or buy rentals. So 6, stack credit lines, reinvest the profits. This is how the rich scale using credit. So get multiple credit lines, personal and business, using the fund cash flow and ventures, using the income to pay off the credit, reinvest the profits to build passive income, repeat the cycle with increased credit limits. All right, so that's a good word right there. So risk to avoid: high interest debt. Interest compounds quickly if you fail. Using credit for a lifestyle, it doesn't produce ROI. That means return on investment. So you brought it, but you're not making no money off of it, or you invested in it, you're not making no money on it. Not tracking expenses leads to spiraling debt. Failing to make payments ruins credit score fast. Not having a plan: credit is leverage, use it wisely. All right. So realistic ways people get rich off credit. So drop shipping, e-com, use 0% credit to fund an ad, spend inventory, real estate, credit fund repairs, furniture, and down payments. Turo, car rentals, buy cars on credit, rent them out. Airbnb, use credit for furniture and short-term rental setup. High ROI skills, use credit to buy courses that create income, copywriting, coding, marketing. Credit for certifications. Get into a six-figure career using loaned funds, business startups, fund marketing tools, and growth with business credit. All right. So final advice: credit is the wealth. Build into it if use acquire assets, not to fund liabilities. All right. If you're serious to start up, start by improving your credit score, studying business and real estate, creating a plan to use credit strategically, treating credit like a loan from your future self, pay it back wisely. All right. So it's a lot of people out there looking to get into the business world and looking to utilize credit, looking to learn how to make money off credit. And it all starts with personal credit. You have to get your personal credit in order first, because you never know. You might need to utilize your personal credit as a personal guarantor, or you might need to start getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit on the personal side to start giving you a push to invest into your business and help you with your financing and with your APRs and things like that. All right. So credit is the number one money game in the world. Credit revolves around everything. A lot of people are getting rich off credit by building their credit profiles, personal and business, the right way, establish them. And we all know credit is calculated off managing debt, managing money. The better you manage money, the better your credit score will be. If you get accounts and you don't manage that debt, it's going to bring your credit score down. A lot of people get into situations on their credit report and credit situations where they mess up on the payments, and they got all these collection accounts and debt. And a lot of people say, oh man, forget that debt. I ain't paying that back. I'm going to try to dispute all these accounts, not knowing that once you do dispute an account, it will take away the age, the payment history, and the debt that is associated with that account, which means if your credit profile is aged at 13 years old, because the oldest account on your credit profile is 13 years old, and you get delete that, disputed off your account, credit profile, then the next account is 7 years old, your credit profile will now be 7 years old. And you dispute everything off your credit profile, and you 30 years old, 35, high 20s, it's going to be hard for you to really get back in the game, because now you're going to need secure loans, secure credit cards, um, credit builder loans, co-signers, and things like that. All right, so just focusing on managing your credit the right way. Credit profiles will help you start making money off credit. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going, y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems are $1,000, but for limited time only, I'm doing it for 600. Yes, 600 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Once the 600 is on your cash app or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we will go from there. All right, no screenshots, no replies, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. Also, make sure y'all book y'all see on the crypto tour in person limited gems, 3,500, $500 deposit, the rest of the money me in person. Make sure y'all book y'all see on the month-long mentorship. Anything you need help with on the personal or business side, anything you need want to talk about on the personal or business side, 24/7 hour service. I'm here to help you. So let's get to work. 30 days. And we're gonna get into, we're gonna get to work. We're gonna make some growth. All right. Also, make sure y'all checking out my vendor platforms on Telegram and the Potato app, Millionaire Network. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all my YouTube channels, and follow me on my Twitch, King Hustle Live. I do all my freebies and giveaways from those channels and that Twitch. Make sure you're gonna run the followers up on my IG, King Hustle X11.2. That will lead you to all my other IGs. Got a couple IGs out there for a lot of different platforms. Make sure y'all checking out the crypto world, 350, 500, and 1,000. Wow, y'all know what's going on with that. And with that being said, man, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video or live. Peace.